Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about operators in Python.
Operators in Python. So there will be a set of operators in order to perform some operations. So between the values or operands. So those are called as operators. An operator is used to perform a specific operation between the operands. So as I said, between the operands or values, etc. So there are four types of operators which are commonly used. One is arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison or relational operators, or logical operators. We can go one by one. So let us take up arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. between the operands. So in the table, I have clearly mentioned what is operator and its description and example with a result. So now let me execute each and everything one by one. So even you will get some understanding how exactly they are working. So I will create arithmetic operator .py. Now let us take example a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. So by taking this example, we can start our operation. Now let us do addition. So print a plus b. So when I print this, I will get the summation of those two results. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now let us proceed with subtraction. So print a minus b. It is 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Now let us do multiplication. So print a star b. 6 3s are 18. So it has been printed. Now let us division. Print a divided by b. It is 2.0. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now modulus. Now we can create one more value. C is equal to 7. Modulus. If I print C divided by b, so it is 1. 7 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. Exponent. Print 2 star 2. When I print this, 2 square is the result. It is 4. Exponent. Next, floor division. Print 7. Floor division, which returns the quotient value. 7 divided by 2 is 2 3s are 6, 3 point something. So it will return a nominal value of it. So this is the arithmetic operation between the operands A, B, C. So that's all with arithmetic operator. Now let us move to assignment operator. So assignment operator. So assignment operator, what it does? So assignment operators are used to perform arithmetic operations while assigning a value to a variable. So they will assign some value. They used to perform arithmetic operation by assigning some value to variable directly. So here, if you look into the examples, I have clearly mentioned the operators, its example and expressions and its final result. So now we can do one by one. I have created the assignment operator file. Now let us proceed with the examples or test cases of assignment operator. So I will give a default value for z as 20. Now let us consider with example 1 where a is equal to 10 plus 20. Then print a is equal to, if you run this, you will get an value as 30. So for an equal assignment operator, we have run the value and it returns an value as 30. Now example 2. Just comment it out each and everything. I don't want to mess up. So the second example is z plus equals to 10. So print z. So when I run this, I got an value as 30 because 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now let us move for example 3. Z is equal to minus 10. When I print it, I am getting 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. So example 4. Example 4 is z star is equal to 10. Z star is equal to 10, which returns 200 as a result. 20 into 10 is 200. Example 5. Z division equals to 10. When I print Z, I'm getting the value as 2.0. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. Example 6. Example 6 is modulus Z is equal to Z modulus 10. So Z modulus equals to 10, which returns print Z, which in turn returns 0 because 20 divided by 10, the remainder is 0. And now let us go for example number 7. Sample 7. Z star equals to 2. It is 400. Example number 8. It's in flow division. So Z equals to 10. So if I print this, I got an value as 2. Hence, all the operators with the examples I have executed and the following results are generated. You can have and check with this file as well. Anyhow, I will be sharing the online code execution file as well. So if you look back into the source file and if you have any confusion, you could just able to access with your editor and you can do the cross check. Now let us move on with comparison or relational operators. Comparison or relational operators are used to compare or relate the operands to produce a logical value. A logical value can either be true or false. If the operation is right, then it is true. If it is wrong, then it will be false. Now let us work on these comparison operators in the code editor. Let me add it as relational operators .py. Okay, I'll try to clear it first. So I'll just define the values first. A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3. So let us start with the first case. So example 1, print A is less than B, false. Since 6 is less than 3, it is false. Example 2, print A is greater than B. Now it is true, 6 is greater than B. Example 3, print A less than or equal to B. It is false because 6 is not less than or equal to 3. Example 4, print A is greater than or equal to B. print this, it is true. 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Example number 5, print A equal to B. Since 6 is not equal to 3, it is false. Then example number 6, print A is not equal to B. So the output is true. Since 6 is not equal to 3, it is true. So that's the completion of comparison and relational operators. So I'm done with the execution process as well. Now let us move on to logical operators. So logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the operands. The logical value can either be true or false. So the comparison and logical operators are more probably used in conditional statements. We will be discussing those in our upcoming session. So in the conditional statements, these two things are commonly used. Now let us work on logical operators. Logical operators dot py. So logical operator has 3 set of operators, mainly and or not. Logical description is logical and logical or and logical not. Let us start with and operator. And operator. So 4 less than 2 and 4 greater than 2, I will just print this. So to check the result, I'm just doing all the operations based on the explanation slide, because it will be helpful for you guys to understand what is what. So that's why I'm taking the same examples which I have explained in the slides. So since 4 is less than 2, no, it is not the right one. So 4 is not less than 2 and 4 is greater than 2. So here one of the test case is right and one of the test case is false, hence it's giving false. And operator is right, okay, or operator. So if I print, so 4 is less than 2, or right, or 4 is greater than 2, what's the result? It should be true, because in both the cases either one should be true. So then or condition will remain true. If both the conditions are false, then it will remain false. If both the conditions are true, true. In the AND operation, either any one of the condition is false, then the AND operation returns false. But in OR condition, even though if any either one of the condition is also false, it will remain as true. And or not operator. Not operator, print 4 is less than 2. If 4 is less than 2, not operator gives false. Since 4 is less than 2, it's a false one, it's a wrong one, hence not operator gives it as false. So that's the completion of our logical operators. So mainly logical operators are and or and not operator. So these are the examples which I have shown you. So and that's the end of the operators in the Python. Thank you.